Move over Tesla and SpaceX. Elon Musk is trading rockets for radishes. So, what's the deal with Elon Musk's latest venture? Picture this: the tech mogul in the bustling streets of Pakistan haggling over the price of tomatoes. Yep, you heard that right. Our favorite billionaire genius has decided to bring his innovative spirit to the veggie market. No more complex algorithms, just fresh produce and a lot of humor. Imagine Elon shouting, "Fresh cucumbers, straight from Mars." Or get your organic carrots, it'll make your brain as sharp as mine. Why is he doing this, you ask? Well, if you can revolutionize cars, space travel, and internet coverage, why not take a crack at vegetables? Plus, it's a great way to keep those Martian colonists healthy. So next time you're in Pakistan, don't be surprised if you see a Tesla parked next to a veggie cart. Elon Musk. Changing the world, one vegetable at a time. Remember folks, if Elon can sell veggies, you can do anything.